Hey everybody, Spine Ticks Pressing here, and I've got for you a brand new Marvel Walmart 3-pack exclusive. I've not opened one with this particular book on the cover before, so let's open it up now and let's find out what's inside. I'm really excited to be opening this particular Walmart pack. This is one that I have not come across before, nor have I seen it been opened by anyone on another video, but I'm sure somebody has out there. I am digging for sure the cover book. I think it's a good one, the one that's on the front. And I'm about to extract all the books. Here we go. And I'm going to flip the stack over for you, and we're going to reveal them. Okay, I've got them up, and the first book that you're about to see is the cover, or the top book that shows in the Marvel 3-pack exclusive. So here it is. Let's get the big reveal. It is Gwendam versus Carnage #1. All right. Part of the King in Black series. Really dig that cover. Pretty cool. It's definitely different. All right, so let's look at book #2. And remember, stay tuned to the very end for the close-ups. Avengers Empire 0. All right. Don't recognize the cover artist, but it's kind of a cool one. Iron Man there on the cover. I like how he's in the forefront and some of the other characters in the background. All right, here is the next book. It is interesting. America. It's a lenticular cover. And we've got, looks like an Amazing Spider-Man homage. It's America Chavez #8. It's a variant copy, or America Marvel Legacy, and she's got her is it Dominatrix? I'm not sure what her name is. I think that might be it. And then the lenticular cover is, I guess it's actually Green Goblin with America Chavez tied up. Or is it Peter Parker? Oh, it is Peter Parker. Okay. Got to really turn it sideways. It's an homage reprint, Spider-Man 39, ASM 39. And the America Chavez. This is, I see a little bit of issues. Like there's a damaged area right here on this lenticular cover. And I'm not a big fan of the lenticular. I mean, I think they're cool. I think they look cool. I'm not a big fan of the lenticular covers. It's just, I think, kind of a odd gimmick. But there it is. Yep, Exterminatrix. So she's not quite, we got that odd character, supervillain, arch enemy. All right, so let's take a look at the close-ups. Hey, thank you for supporting this channel. Take a look at these two exciting links on the screen here above for more great content. Like I said, thanks for being here. You are appreciated. I love reading your comments. And as always, happy hunting.